I wake up at 6 o'clock. I get up at 6:50. I make a cup of tea and iron my clothes. I have a shower and get dressed. I usually wear jeans, a blouse, a jumper or cardigan and boots in the winter, or a skirt and blouse in the summer. I brush my hair, put on my makeup. I pack my bag with all my teaching materials. I then put on my coat and leave the house. I walk to the bus stop. I catch the bus at 8:15 and then I pay my fare and sit down. It takes about 45 minutes to get to my destination 3 miles away. I get off the bus and walk to the school where I teach English. I have to sign in and get the key. Class starts at 9:25 and ends at 11:25. I have lunch at 12. I eat a baguette or sandwich at the local cafe. I sometimes do some shopping before I walk back to school. I do some photocopying and go back to my classroom. I teach in the afternoon from 1 to 3 p.m. I then catch the bus back home and spend a couple of hours relaxing before I cook dinner. My son goes to work shortly after I come home. Sometimes he cooks dinner before I get home, and sometimes I cook. I like to eat rice or pasta with a sauce. I chop the onions, fry them, and then mix them with garlic, tomatoes, carrots, chilies, and spinach. I boil the rice and then add the sauce. After dinner, I wash up, sweep the floor, and tidy up a bit. Then I make phone calls, mark my students' work, do the laundry. Then I go on Facebook or watch TV until about 11:30 when my son comes home. We catch up on our day, and at about 11 o'clock I go to bed. Other days I get up early, go downstairs, put on my computer, and teach on TrueTalk English for 3 hours. Then I have a break, eat dinner with my son, have a walk or go shopping before returning to work and teaching again for another 3 hours. Working at home can be very convenient, and I love being able to talk to people around the world. It is also nice working in a school and seeing people on a regular basis and working in a team. So I feel I have the best of both worlds. So there you have a daily routine. There are lots of different types of English constructions used in describing a day, including many phrasal verbs like tidy up and wash up and get up. There are also lots of sentences with supporting verbs, such as I have lunch or I get dressed, rather than I lunch. Notice the range of ways of saying the time, too. See if you can describe your day using the same language forms.